Hey guys, in this video I will show you some updates of my recent project. You guys may already know I created the ENO1 and the ESO2. This tool pretty much ready. You can purchase the part from the link in the description of this video. You can download the source code from GitHub and build this tool by yourself. This one is very interesting. You could learn a lot of stuff like the PID, FOC, and Arduino IDE, and learn how to programming with the bot. Also, you can do a lot of practice by print the leg, use the 3D print. This is a very interesting project. You could learn a lot of stuff and practice a lot of stuff. So this tool pretty much ready. You can try out if you're interested with this tool. This one, quadruped robot, I built this recently. I already have everything ready. I upload the source code to the GitHub, and I build the full video for this one, include how to assemble this one, how to soldering, how to do the test, how to do the programming. So it's already ready. You could download the source code from the GitHub, and you can try it out. And let me know if you have any question to build this one. Yeah, leave me a comment if you have any question. So it's a very interesting project. This one also powered by the ESP32. It's 8 DOF, not 12 DOF. All of these three are powered by the microcontroller, not the microprocess. It's not come with any ROS 1 or ROS2. It's not come with any Linux operation system. So I decided I probably should build another one with the ROS, with the Linux operation system. That will be a challenge, but it's very interesting. So I did some research. The MIT Cheetah is a very interesting one. So I decided build that one from very beginning. That will be my next project. It will be also very interesting project. I need to learn a lot of stuff, and I will build that from very beginning. So I decided to purchase the material, the NVIDIA device and the motor. Yeah. I purchased some of them. I already purchased some of them, so I will show you how to build this from very beginning. Today I got the NVIDIA Jetson Orin Nano. So this one, I will show you what is inside of it and some detail about this device. This is basically, this is the brain of the device. So let me show you what we have inside of this one. Yeah, it's a very interesting, it's a powerful device. So let's start from the beginning. Let's take a look at what's inside of this box. So I purchased this one like 1 month ago, but it took me like a few months to get this device. So it's very difficult to get this device. I got it today. So let's look into this one. Okay, let's take a look. It's Jetson Orin Nano Developer Kit. So I will install the ROS on this device and do some more tests. I will make more video once I get any more progress. So let's open it. Okay. This is the manual and the power brake. I think it's 12 voltage. Yeah. And this is the main device. I don't think I have any more. Okay. Just like a small computer. So we have the DC power supply, display port. It's a regular display port. 4 USB Type-C port. No, not Type-C. No, it's 3.2 and 1 USB Type-C. So all of them on this side. Let's take a look at this side. We have the a lot of GPIO, a lot of pin over here. This one is pretty clean. You can find the SD card slot over here. It's very difficult to access. Yeah, this is a fan. Yeah, the fan is on the GPU. Yeah, so all the AI capability is here, is in this board. This is camera connector. We have 2 of them, so you could have one for the front, one for the back. On the other side, you have the Wi-Fi module over here. I think Wi-Fi and Bluetooth over here. That is the antenna. That's 2 for SSD. Yeah. The quality is very good. You could put 2 storage over there. It's pretty clean, yeah. Yeah, it looks very nice. I will do more tests on this one. I probably will build the bot just 1 leg first, and build one by one, and so each leg it's probably need to take about $400 for the motor, for the speed reducer, and some driver. Yeah. If I got the first version work, the original MIT Cheetahs use ROS1, so I will try to upgrade to the ROS2 if I got the first version work. Yeah, I also trying to do some comparison for this device with the different option. This is Raspberry Pi. So Pi is much smaller. It's almost just a half size of the Jetson Nano. Yeah, I also take a look at the RDK. This is RDK. RDK basically the same size as the Raspberry Pi. So Jetson Nano still the largest one. Yeah, but the Jetson Nano have more power, more AI capability, as come with 67 TOPS. Yeah, that's very nice. It's easy for the object detection or some other AI capability. Yeah, I purchased the very old one like a few years ago. I think this is the first generation, so you can compare with that. The size pretty much the same. The port also pretty much the same. Yeah, but the AI capability is different. So the size seems they use the same board. Yeah, the Camry we only have one in the old version, but right now we have two of them. A lot of upgrade over there. Okay, I purchased this one like 3 years ago. Yeah, it's a 2 gigabit version. This one is 8 gigabit. Okay, let's keep eyes on my project. I probably will do more updates once we got more parts. Yeah, I do get some parts today. I will show you some of the parts I got. So I could show you what I had right now, and later I will build the leg, and I will make as many videos as I can, so we could know how the first leg get built, exactly how the first leg get built. Yeah. Here is what I got from eBay or Amazon. It's may not a good idea to build the actuator from very beginning, but I want to learn something for the actuator, how the actuator get work. So that is why I purchased the parts from eBay or Amazon. I purchased the motor, the gearbox, and the driver, and the speed controller. So this will help me understand how exactly the actuator get work. Maybe later I still will purchase some existing actuator for the bot. But for now, for some experiment, I want to start from very beginning to build the actuator. Here is what I have today. I already talked about the Jetson Nano. I have the magnet. I have the driver, the single channel speed controller, and I have the Naples battery. It's 24 voltage. So I have the planetary gearbox. Is pretty heavy. This one is a brushless motor. I got a used one, so it's come from a drone. But I think for the test, for the first experiment, I think it should be enough. Okay, once I got more stuff, I will start that. Bye.